everyone. So today I will introduce you about other place to praise other Sisseton province. So today I come to pray at a higher mountain at the Sisseton province, like Dewa mountain. So I would let you know about my friends. Come to pray with me. I feel very happy. So what you want to know, you can ask me. So thank you.
Hello, you guys. My name is Mel Thao and I'm studying at Sisseton High School Province. Now I'm coming to travel with my friend. This is my natural and my natural life. Can you see it? And my lifestyle is like this. Can you see me? Yes. Okay.
Oh, good.
Hi, my name is Guyan. Today I have to come to see the other friend with my other friends, and today we have to see the new natural and so the nice day is today because I have to see more friends. You can see my friends, please.
Yeah, like it's more. That's the had a boyfriend, girlfriend, had a partner, had a good both. But it's convince friend.
And that's my friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay,
good.
to this.
Yeah. If you like this boy, you can to be contact for me. I will tell you the number.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Say introduce yourself.
Huh?
This-
Introduce.
So
I don't know. I can speak English.
no,
also.
I can